Loyalty programs are widely used by businesses to promote customer retention, foster brand loyalty, and encourage repeat purchases. However, the increasing popularity of loyalty programs has also attracted fraudsters seeking to exploit them for personal gain. There are several ways in which loyalty fraud can occur. Account takeover fraud involves fraudsters stealing customers' login credentials to access customers' accounts and then redeem associated rewards. Point theft fraud occurs when fraudsters steal loyalty points from customers' accounts or manipulate loyalty systems to boost their rewards balance. Coupon fraud entails fraudsters using fake coupons to obtain discounts or rewards. Internal fraud takes place when members from within the organization abuse loyalty programs by providing freebies or discounts to their friends and family. Friendly fraud occurs when customers violate terms of service to claim unauthorized benefits. To combat loyalty fraud, merchants need to implement robust security measures. Enforcing robust passwords and implementing multi-factor authentication can prevent loyalty fraud. It is essential to monitor all account activity and request customers to verify their identity before utilizing any rewards or points. Imposing limits on point redemption and coupon usage is also a proactive measure to deter and prevent loyalty fraud. Educating customers about the risks of loyalty fraud and the importance of monitoring accounts can increase awareness and vigilance. Using a fraud prevention solution like FraudLabs Pro fraud prevention is highly advisable as it can efficiently flag suspicious account activities by detecting unusual IP addresses, credit card usage, and more. As loyalty fraud continues to evolve with advancing technology, preventing loyalty fraud is an ongoing battle. Let's protect your online business by using FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention for free now.